Hello guys, I'm back. I'm back. Eh, I'm back now here. So I'm finished on this map. I make Australia. Did you see? Oceania. Yeah. And palayo ay ang Africa. Marami yung state ng Africa. So, 'di ba yung sabi ko bukas yung Europe, ngayon ang Europe. Okay. Nayuyupi pala to para matago, pero kailangan natin rubber band o scotch tape. Don't forget like and subscribe here. Okay. There's Denmark. Kala mo maliit sa Europe. Biniktas ko na yan. Sa North America at South America ang tawag ay ano yan? America. Yan. That's Portugal, that's Spain, France, Italy, Germany has been war. So many. Poland, similar than Indonesia. There's Kazakhstan, Romania. This is Hungary. This Austria. This Luxembourg. That's Luxembourg. Maybe you can see. That's Luxembourg. Yeah. Tsaka you can see here France, Switzerland, Austria, Czechoslovakia, pero Czechia and Slovakia. There's Moldova, Ukraine, Belarus, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia. There's also Serbia, Bosnia, Herzegovina. There's Croatia. There's North Macedonia. But Serbia has take Kosovo. Yeah. Kosovo is not a country now. Like Greenland. Marami pa akong bibigkasin. Yan. Maraming maliliit dito. Kagaya ng North Macedonia, Denmark, hindi. Ireland, Portugal, Switzerland, Slovakia, not a country, it's Kosovo, Moldova, and Liechtenstein, and these two in Italy, Rome, and malayo sa Rome ay ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko na. Sorry guys. It's Vatican City and San Marino. Dito naman sa Switzerland at Austria and Germany, katabi dito ay the Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein is the mini. So, bigkasin ko na lahat. Let's go over here in Asia. This is tough. Big countries. This is Russia, Kazakhstan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, China, Mongolia, and those Koreas, North and South. That's Japan. That's ours, Philippines. This is Taiwan, Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Yan, you see Malaysia? That's Malaysia. Eh, may maliit din dito sa Asia ang tawag ay dito naman sa isa pang part of Asia ay Singapore. Dito naman ay Brunei. Meron din dito is Timor-Leste. Diyan lang. Tsaka Bangladesh, Nepal, Nepal, and they're also basta by don't talk about it. China is the biggest one, but is Russia. Look at it. It's so big. Meron din ako nagawa dito. Ang hirap ko nagawa. Mga ilang araw ko na. Ito oh. Ito siya oh.
Pataas ha? Opo.
Ito ang earthquake. Ito yung yan, yung malamig. Yung taas o baba ng temperature. This is avalanche. Looks like pointy mountains. Yeah, that's pointy mountains. Looks like a pointy mountain. Sorry, uubo ako. Uubo talaga ako. Tsaka, ginagawa ko yung ano ng USA. Pero baliktad. Pagkakita mo, baliktad kasi. Di, gagawin ko pa dito. Kung wari, may katabi siyang pero yung etong Mexico na to, wala na yan. Canada lang yung neighborhood niya. Kasi dito, yung Puerto Rico, Guam, ewan ko lang kung Puerto Rico yung country, states of USA. There's Alaska here, Guam, ours ata. So, my gun. Let's go in Africa. The biggest countries is those are really ano ba to? Those are DRC or Democratic Republic of the Congo. Ayan, no? Tsaka Algeria, Morocco, at mga iba pang Africa. Ay, itong Oceania, may Australia. Ang ganda ng gawin ko ng Australia. Tsaka Papua New Guinea, the Solomon Islands, and this is New Zealand. Buti naman nakahabol si New Zealand. Mga ibang islands kasi hindi nakahabol eh. Kung dito naman sa marami pa namang space. Malapit. Well, okay, now I'm gonna some US states, mga kalahati lang. Sorry. This is all the United States of all the states. Pero hindi pa lahat. Mayroon pa. Hindi ko nagawa eh. May ginagawa ko to. Kaya dami-daming country. Okay. This is North America. Some states there kakaya doon. Oo nga. And there's South America. And papuntang northwest ay Europe. Papuntang north or west, west, ay makikita mo sa yung Asia. Papunta sa west-south, makikita mo dito ang Australia. Papunta sa east ng sa is ng Australia, there's Africa. Africa, pababa dito ang Antarctica. Di na din kasi nakahabol yung Antarctica. Ay, kasi malaki. Yung North America may space pati itong ano Kaya sana na may ano din siya dito sa mga kalahati ng araw. Sana ganun. Hanggang dyan lang. This is tough. You can see yung Norway pa ano dun kay Russia, pero hindi. Hanggang dun sa Arctic Ocean. Yeah, but why Europe and Asia leave this sea? This in Kazakhstan. There is in Kazakhstan. Pakistan has hindi hinabol. Sana reward na lang niya yung si Kazakhstan at saka si Turkmenistan para makaano siya dito sa Kazakhstan Gold. Ewan ko lang. Tsaka Iran, Azerbaijan, and Russia. Pag naman nakabot si Russia. Ay, this is all of the day. See you next time. And don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe. Pindutin mo yung subscribe and like in this video if you want to see some other videos. Just scroll and you'll find some ibang countries ay basta yung mga iba hindi mo makikita doon. So this is the end of me. Bye bye.